Hi guys! This is Cecil Vlogs and Diary. Ayan, my sister. Galing ko kami sa Lemon Post from work. May emergency call kami sa work and then pumunta kami diretso ng Lemon Post para magpadala ng pera. So, and then we're going home na. So, ganito ang sitwasyon dito ngayon. So, tahimik, not really crowded na, hindi tulad dati. But yeah, so we're going home. And what you got? We got Lebanese foods like we're going to have shawarma, chicken shawarma, and falafel. It's a kind of food, Lebanese foods. Yes.